In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mind map with Google NotebookLM. A mind map is a visual way to see how ideas connect, which makes it fantastic for understanding complex topics, planning projects, or studying. NotebookLM can generate this automatically from the sources already in your notebook, so you can move from scattered notes to clear structure in just a moment. First, go to your NotebookLM and open the notebook you want to work with. Make sure you're in the notebook that contains the sources you care about, because the mind map is built from those materials. If your notebook is already organized around a topic, the mind map will reflect that focus and produce a clearer view. Next, click Mind Map. As soon as you do, NotebookLM will begin generating the map based on your sources. You'll see it think through the content, extract major themes, and arrange related ideas into clusters. This can take a little time, especially if your notebook has a lot of material, so wait patiently and let the system complete its analysis. The extra few moments are worth it for a cleaner, more accurate layout. Once it's done generating, you'll see the result. Click the mind map to open it fully. Now you can explore. Start by scanning the central idea, then follow the branches to see how the tool grouped subtopics and key concepts. Zoom in to read details and pan around to understand the overall structure. The connections between nodes show relationships, so pay attention to how ideas are linked. This often reveals patterns you might have missed when reading your notes line by line. If you prefer a different layout, feel free to adjust it. You can rearrange nodes to match your mental model, collapse or expand sections to control the level of detail, and refocus the map on a subtopic to dive deeper. Small tweaks can make the structure even more intuitive for your workflow, whether you're planning, studying, or preparing a presentation. Finally, if you want further data or clarification, ask questions directly within NotebookLM. Use clear prompts that reference what you see in the map, like asking for definitions of a node, summaries of a branch, or explanations of how two concepts connect. You can also request supporting evidence from your sources to ensure accuracy. The better your question, the more helpful and targeted the response will be. That's it. By opening your notebook, clicking Mind Map, reviewing the generated layout, refining it to your needs, and asking follow-up questions, you'll turn your notes into a visual understanding you can act on.